Beach Resort. I love this place. So this is where you guys gotta come when you come to Negril. Now that we've finished the swimming pool, we're gonna take a dip in the ocean. Then we're gonna have some dinner. It's too late. This is one of my favorite spots in Jamaica, in Negril. Make sure you check it out. What I love about the owners, they give back to the community. This is why I always spend my money here. So big up Mr. Wellington and the family. These travelers, we've been coming here from 2005. A long time now. And I want you Jamaicans to support this business. Spend your money here when you come on vacation, because he has a neat program, neatja.com, and he gives back to a lot of the youngsters in the community. So Jamaica Good Life endorsed Travelers Beach Resort. I advertise for free for them because I love when a Jamaican build a resort. This is Jamaican owned. Okay, so it is our people who own this. We own this resort here, Jamaican owned. So when you spend your money, spend it with a Jamaican owned business. He started off with a taxi cab in Brooklyn. He buy a piece of land in front of the ocean. He started off with one bungalow, and I interviewed him a long time ago. So there's the one bungalow him start off. So you can start off 20 years ago, one of these rooms, and now it's an entire resort. So you guys, this is the dream, you know. This is the dream when a Jamaican come home. And there's a piece of land for sale next to this land. I'm gonna get that. This is the dream. You buy a piece of land in front of the beach, you build one bungalow on it. You can use Airbnb.com, and that's how you start. And 20 years from now, you pass it on to your children. This is Jamaica Good Life at its best, because this is just an example of what we can accomplish as a people. Travelers Beach Resort, owned and operated by a Jamaican, and he supports the community. Check out travelsbeachresort.com and check out the NEAT, NEETJA.com. Support this hotel, this franchise, support this business. It's one of the best example of Jamaican Good Life. We want to own our own stuff, and every time I'm going to spend money in Negril, stay at Travelers Beach Resort. All right, it's owned by a Jamaican. Mr. Wellington, big up yourself. All right, so now what we're going to do now, we're going to get our keys, and we're going to go to the beach. We'll get our keys, and now we're going to walk straight to the beach. This is where we started Jamaica Good Life after SaveJamaica.com. So let me give you guys a tour. Look at this wonderful, beautiful place. All right, and then I'm going to show you where the land is for sale next door to this. So you take about 300,000 US and buy a piece of land in Negril and pass it on to your kids. And your kids will never have to work again for anybody else. This is what we're trying to say. If one Jamaica can do this, Jamaican can do this. Any Jamaican can do it. We just have to believe in ourselves. So, this is my home away from home. Yes, sir. All right, so now this is the entrance. And it's COVID now. Oh, maybe I should have my mask on. So this is your home. Just search for Travelers Beach Resort and book your stay here, because this is where Randy stays. Travelers Negril, Jamaica. All right. All right, so we want to stay here. Okay, it's slippery. All right, let's go to the beach. So this is what you call success. Successful returning residents. 20 years ago. So I met Mr. Wellington years ago. And he did it. So I have to go get my mask. So this is Randy, Jamaica Good Life. Always promoting the positive of Jamaica. Today I'm staying at Bungalow 13. And let's take a look at Bungalow 13. Here I have my Do Not Disturb. So for about $75 or $77, just a room to stay. And you have your safe and everything. Right? So now I need my mask. So you go in your bathroom, right? And here's my safe. You're not going to see my combination. Get my mask out of the safe. Now that we get the mask, let's hit the ocean. Staying one day, meet with some friends that I'm leaving out. So again, for $80 a night, if it's you alone, and if you have families, get them on bungalows. Have a chair outside. So this is the vibe. We're going straight to the beach. Yes, put on a mask. You gotta wear your mask. Many years, and this is one of my favorite spots in Jamaica. No, say you see the face. You have to see the face. There. What time you are close? 9:30. All right. See you later. All right, people. So I'm gonna go. Can't take the N1s them, right? We can't take the N1. Cheer. Can't take the N1. Alright. Finally I'm back. This is when the show starts, I'm actually walking out the beach from here. So the intro for the show is from Travelers Beach as well. Yes, people, Randy's back at it. This is the place. Love, always keep it moving, no matter what. I'm gonna put up the charger right there. And let's